Yes. The 3.5 million that you have won in a brand new car. So didn't you speak to anyone regarding this?
What kind of car is it?
It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz.
2018. I don't recall my name going into any form of, what was it, a raffle?
It was a raffle, and your name was automatically selected as first place winner. By paying your bills on time, shopping at your favorite grocery store, that's the Walmart, the Walgreens, the 7-Eleven, and the Rite Aid store. So your information was marked as the raffle endorsement, and you were first as the first place winner, okay?
Okay, so... Okay. I'm just trying to think of like, when was my name entered?
When was your name entered?
Yeah, when was my name entered?
Last month.
Oh.
By shopping at your favorite grocery store and paying your bills on time, okay?
Okay, they have stuff for stuff like that now?
Yes.
Okay, so what would I have to do to get my car? Because I am not driving right now. You guys just give away cars like that? You just give away cars like that?
Yes, because anytime you have one, you get a car of your choice. And it's a Mercedes Benz, you get a car.
But how are you gonna give me a Mercedes? How are you gonna give me a Mercedes Benz? And you said you give me my car of my choice. But how you know I want a Mercedes Benz? I'm not a Mercedes person. I might be a BMW person.
You get the color of your car in your choice. Okay. So if you need it in the red, the yellow, what color do you like?
Okay. I've never seen a yellow Mercedes. I've seen a red Mercedes. And how the hell is it I'm going to get my car? Where are you calling from?
I'm calling you directly from Washington, D.C., okay?
You're calling me from Washington, D.C. So why is it an 876 number shows up on my phone? Why is there an 876 number showing up on my phone? Motherfucker.
Hello?
Yes, did you hang up on me earlier? How was I going to give you the car information if you hung up on me?
Hello?
Yeah. Oh, this a blood clot call my phone. I wish blood clot scammer this. Oh, no, I'm not for call a blood clot Jamaican them. Eh? Me a Jamaican now, you know that, right?
Pardon?
Don't come speaky spokey upon me because I know you ain't no damn publishers clearinghouse. Stop trying to speak like you speaky spoken. You can't even twang. At least get people who can speak and sound clear.
Listen, don't you need the money that we have here for you?
Listen, if y'all are gonna scam somebody, at least try to sound like the Americans. You don't sound nothing like an American, okay?
Listen to it. I have something big and black waiting on you out here.
I don't want your nasty dick, nigga. Take it and stuff it up your ass.
Yes.
Take it and stuff it up your friend's ass. And stop scamming people, you little bitch.
Listen, I have a big black dick waiting on you.
Yeah, take it and stuff it up your friend's ass and stop scamming people's money. Go walk with a blood clot thief. You can't call a Jamaican number. You can't call a Jamaican person phone. I look for money. I look money for thief. Eat thiefing, boy. Big pussy like your big mama. Come on from my phone and stop look people money for thief. You damn thief, yo. Go suck your mother and go. Come on from my phone.